In today's video, you are going to listen to real negotiation in real life. How I do sell my pigs every time on the farm with some of the buyers. I've always told you how I do sell the pigs. So a buyer came to my farm, and to me, I always know the weight and how much I'm expecting from the buyer for that particular animal. So I had a pig that was weighing 40 kilos, 40.1 kilos. So I decided to average it at 40 kilos. So I was expecting to get 1,100 Ghana cedis from the buyer for this pig. Okay, so when he came, also based on the location we are, most of these buyers, they don't want you to use the scale. So for weight, if you use the weight, you are annoying them. They don't want to even listen to it. But you being the business owner or you being the owner of the animals, you should know what you are doing. So I always know the weight and the amount I need to get beforehand. So when he came, I decided to overprice it. I know my people well. If you price even as low as 50 Ghana cedis, they will still ask for reduction. So I overpriced the animal to 1,300 Ghana cedis. And then he also started that he was going to give me 800. I said, it's no good, come up. Then he came to 900. I came to 1,200. He rose to 1,000. I still maintain 1,200. Then he came to 1,050. I came to 1,150. And then I was asking him to put additional 50 so that it would get to 1,100. So that I'll give it to him. That was where we started dragging things. One thing about these buyers is if they come to you and you're not firm, Charlie, you run at a loss. That one I must always tell you. You will run at a loss. They'll come, they behave as if they are always not making any profit from the animals they buy from you. But in actual sense, they are making massive profit. So that was also decided to justify by letting him know that even a bag of maize costs 1,000 Ghana cedis. And it got to a point I needed to apply some sort of pressure. So that is why I told him that I was a bit busy and I needed to attend to other things. So if he's okay with it, then I can let him have the animal and then I can also go and attend to other things. Otherwise, we may depart. We must go our separate ways and then. So it was at this point that I applied a little pressure and he needed to, and then he had to give in by coming up to the 1,100 Ghana cedis. Okay, so at the end of it all, the 1,100 I was expecting, I got it. And you know what? This pig, I sold him for 27 Ghana cedis per kilo. So that is why I was able to get 1,100 Ghana cedis, in case you want to know the calculation. So for those of you very conversant with the local language, you're going to enjoy the video a lot. I'm sure about that. And what I don't think so. Maybe the count. It is now tired at the Brana, or can I just say at the Brana? I don't know who actually. Yeah, you're the end of can I meet them? So, man, American, so open and Thomas and an American. Remember, say, remember how say a born or better. What for a boy now? I quest and I'll be shy, and I say, only say there be a make a massam. Then 10% so, and some men and 10 what they so bet here, sure. Mamma, my mouth. Thank you. What is okay a blue and a make a make a say, talk make say a brobo adda. A brobo cross and tea. The end is at 12 yeah, by any party, and a mechano. Maybe be a mechano, but be a sunny one, or more from a semi quap. Nami dimi mimo to see an army boat on a mabaqua. Do you know one of a kind? Say, ye be ye neck or drew babina, Messomem Pessa. Until me the tongue, something I make and say, Mimi Pumboa, a boy, be a milk, Mamma, Yana, she, Anna, it be a catchiamun, a best tie. Now better me, see a bono. You have grandpa, a dear we cry as I didn't to maybe a namnasa. Say, Camu, and for Swamu, fine your awesome. I am in massam. So do to white can Osika. Send me the Osika, the means I'm a boy and as a quame, an idea boy, a question at Timisu. Saturday, Minkasada. Do the Kakan, Mamma 55. 11.5. 11.5 is. She can something and make a drone. So, yes, I said, made a
me to aboa e for go na me ka kira on se me na me bi ma no aka me sana na me sana china me pese
o de ni sanan ko
mo be
ni sa
dabi kwa me
de ni sa bai
okay mame o de mame mo sa
ata ni den na kure antum ka agruba agreement to an sama to e ja be fra uni ma de no ba o pese be
ma de o kan se me ma de na me te tia me de fiti be ka o
50 de onye o de ena me ma yi 50 na please no ma no to de go yan 11.5 right anu mo me gbo me no ni no
nti onya di me akodro abo ho a me aka na ma aka me fe amesi me tin ka se be gina ho na fe de e be koso
well ne o ye ma hu no plan no o pa na o pese o ba nka we no me ka se 20 na fe em presa me pesa
me de ben say on say me ka tell say o ka bo a ti me suna me sumi tobi
me de ben ayi do ma
on say na me ba ka tell say me pese me ka me last no say ka say me fan tu sunu ntra na ya me pe je en di jon kono na ka me ka say o me ma o si ne be me ka sa na o ya o aju ne say manya na faranti mi san fa bin tusunti na ya me ka se ya bar kana mi sumin tob na yere yan shia na hunde
ba me pese be ka akwachi nta ba na bobo na mo pepe but na ma yibi afi samo yes I make me ka se 20 na sha se o
sa
ba ka so ne be che tuna ba na bobo na mo se ne tie ntino en twa bibia so na today 11.5 na nkama sa kwa ni yima de nyina woton mebwa abo ko twa be 16 ubenya ubenya 16
onya ne ye boy ya ho
okay we ma mi 5 na place
ye boy ya ho
we ma 5 na place
na me se kwa me na me ka kira wono aboy o di be ma me na me ya na yi 10.5 no
10.5 then no
10.5 no na
10.5 then na 10.5 nti no we ma mi 11 no fanisa na me hai
ya boy ma me de me ma wa yi 10.5
de wonya ole yen 11 de me chamo
10.5 no na
11 me chamo but 10 de wonya
ti through nyo o ka se 13 na kura po bi o ha e through a o be ka se o de chima me na me petro
na se me de me adwuma me fa ho oba na o gina o de kwa na wan fa ma mo na da so o na wo ma ha bi
na sa no sana me yesu me so me mpem adwuma sa me mpem adwuma sa se o kwa na wa mba biem no a we pe abo no so wonya biem
tu de kwa 11 ko fa yi ni ba me nchen ma na enko
me kan
ne ze won ka me zisu ta abo no
me zi na o yi si na me
me zisu